Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Mugan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered group based out at Singapore, and more importantly, we serving clients across the globe. We hold our own hedge fund, our proprietary desk, our proprietary crypto desk, our commodities desk, and many other products. And now we are working to launch the largest wealth management platform in the world, video learning platforms, and many more things. If you wish to have any query, you can WhatsApp either on my personal number, which is +91 9899242978, or you can write on our back office, which is +91 9818485155. On an often basis, I came on social media. Like nowadays, I'm very active in short videos. You can refer the short videos on Takatak, Facebook, Chingari, almost every short app we are uploading our short videos. And we would continue to be. But to be very honest, India is definitely a great country. There is no doubt about that because rules and regulations are made for people, those who are poor or small. But for the big people, there are no rules, no regulations. They do whatever they love to do, irrespective of that, because the pimp, sold, and corrupt media is right available to help them. Let's take a simplistic example today. I was reading one of the articles and I decided to make a video because I have the background data with me. I hope you're aware that last year Hexaware got delisted from India. So delisted doesn't mean they closed. Delisted means they are no more public company, they are a private company, and henceforth the majority of the information will never come in the public. And I hope you also aware that the Bearings Group, which is also the private equity firm, leading private equity firm rather, they hold a considerable stake in the Hexaware. This is what we need to learn as of now. By the way, Hexaware is a very good IT firm. Let it be honest. Listing or not listing, that's a separate thing. It's a good IT firm, that at least I can say. We have one private equity player which is known as Carley Group. Carley Group is very active in Asia. And if I'm not wrong, they have around 260 billion, yes, 260 billion worth of asset management. 260 billion, which is, by the way, a big number. Carley Group just quitted SBI Life. And just 1 month before the quit of SBI Life, the share prices start rising. I hope you're getting what I wanted to convey. Because media is right here. Media started promoting SDFC Life, SBI Life, and people who hold no knowledge, they started buying it. Price reached at higher, they quitted, rest you know. Carley Group is looking to buy PNB Housing Finance. The matter is currently with SAT, Securities and Appellate Tribunal, and I'm sure they get approval also. By the way, Carley Group is already approved by Competition Commission of India. When I always heard about Competition Commission of India, I always feel except one company, Amazon. There is any deal which Competition Commission of India rejected, whether it is any corporate of India who do the deal, any venture capitalists who do the deal, I rarely see they get rejected except Amazon, because if Amazon do anything, it always rejected by default. So like Competition Commission of India approved around 500 million funding by Pincus and Temasek in Ola Electric, irrespective of knowing that Ola is in losses since inception. They approved another this deal, which is Carley Group deal, And there are many more deals which they did approve, and in majority of the private equity deal, the funding is done in loss making company. How can Competition Commission of India approved a funding of 500 million in Ola Electric, knowing the fact that Ola is heading for IPO? It is a loss making company. Nowhere they deserve the valuation which they quote in the public. But still the deal got approved. You know how it works. Now back to Hexaware. Private equity Bearings India, who owns the software firms Hexaware Technologies, basically a software company, is set to pick 3 billion offer from Carlyle Group, which is a Manhattan-based, Washington-based private equity firm who controls around 260 billion worth asset under management. The question is really very clear. The private equity people have made India as a playing ground. Now, what is the meaning of that playing ground? The meaning is that the private equity firm can take stake in any company if they wish. Long ago, I raised many questions in fact, from 2018, I'm raising a question in the public domain that what the hell these private equity firms are investing in the loss making companies. But now, as we know that, these loss making companies are getting initial public offer. So let's take an example of Zomato. Immediately after reporting, they reported 360 crores worth of loss. And this bloody paid media, rather than talking about that, what this media did, they started comparing the revenue of Swiggy with Zomato and make them hype. Even today, as we speak, definitely we have a video in that regards, detailed video. Byju's reported 30 times loss compared to financial year 19. So in financial year 19, they reported around 9 crores of loss. In financial year 20, they reported around 262 crores worth of loss. And this paid media is representing Byju's as the 11th most valuable startup with a valuation of $16.5 billion. Paytm is around $16 billion. 10th failed person can even answer that. A company who not made profit since inception, how can this company be valued $16.5 billion? We definitely have a detailed video in that regards. Paytm is looking to have 16,000 crores worth of IPO, which is around $2.5 billion. Closer to $2.5 billion. And it's a loss-making company. And do you know that the gray market pricing of Paytm? We definitely have detailed video. To cut the discussion short, the private equity firms have made India a playground, and they are really not bothered about regulatory. In fact, regulatory bother about them. When it comes to the approval, all the deals are getting approved, irrespective whether the deal is by a loss-making company or by a private equity firm. More importantly, the loss-making companies are valued billions of dollars, and retail investors is pumping the money in these loss-making companies, and everybody is sleeping, or maybe they're getting the kickbacks. Let it be honest and frank, to be frank. The most important aspect is that as more and more loss-making companies will continue to come in the market, and the market would be controlled by these private equity players, which would happen, definitely happen. The day is not far when the profitable companies, basically the companies who work for profit, the CEOs, the CFOs who work for profit, they would be highly demotivated. And they would feel that what the hell, we work 18 hours, 19 hours in a day, make sure that our investors get profit and we report higher EPS and so on and so forth. Are we actually compensated at par with these loss-making companies? Ola wanted to launch the electric vehicle, Ola Electric. Can Ola tell me since inception when they made the profit and how they can be valued in billions of dollars? And I'm 100% sure that Byju's, Ola, and Paytm, they all three get approval for initial public offer. I'm 100% sure that. And I'm 100% sure that the media will take the kickback and media will promote these three stocks at a very extensive pace. By the way, guys, do you know that Paytm gray market pricing is more than 2,500? I raised this question many times. Who is the owner of this gray market? What the hell is gray market, first of all? What the hell is gray market? How can a loss making company valued more than 2,500 in a gray market? Who control this gray market? And you know the stupidity? The stupidity is that this gray market quote is coming in the newspaper. So a newspaper which is circulated to millions of people in the country, it is available in the electronic form. I read in electronic form. This newspaper is quoting the gray market pricing and everyone is watching that. Isn't that an organized fraud which is happening? Because gray market is not a legitimate market. And gray market being not a legitimate market, their pricing should not come in the public. But this is India, and this is how it works. This is how it would continue to work. Let it be honest. Regulatory is only for the small people. It is for the people who cannot defend themselves. As simple as that. I know after watching this video, many eyebrows would raise or many people feel offended. But the hard reality is the Byju's, who claims to be at 16.5 billion valuation, Paytm, who claims to be 16 billion valuation, Unacademy, which claims to be around 3.5 billion valuation, and this so-called Carlyle Group, who claims to be $260 billion of asset under management, talk to me. I will tell you before your quitting of SBI Life, how come the share prices started rising? And when you quit it, share price was at the peak. I will tell to the Byju's founder that a loss-making company, forget 16.5 billion, you even not value $1 million. Of course, we have a detailed video covering Byju's. Guys, we need to learn that. See, the history is witness that these kind of stuff happen in every market. It is happening in United States also, just like we have a stock called GameStop and there are many other stocks. So don't think that United States is an exception, Singapore is an exception, not at all. At the end, who lose is or is going to be losing is the retail investor, because these people, with the help of media, they are quite certain that the people don't have the knowledge, and when the people don't have the knowledge, they are going to be exploiting it. We have the formula to compute intrinsic value, we have the formula to compute the enterprise value, we have the formula to compute EBITDA multiple and so many multiple. Who the hell are you who claims that the gray market price of Paytm is more than 2,500? Who the hell are you? Which formula you used to compute this? Which formula? Offended people, take my phone number +91 9899242978. Paid, sold and corrupt media also note this phone number. Every day we share about 20 plus short videos on the various platforms. This is Rahul Bhagan from Treasury Consulting Group. Have a great time ahead. Thank you. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video, and all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, you know, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day, and then you know how it happens. So as we speak, we do have, three legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group, and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about Treasury Consulting. The more detail is coming at the, as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside Treasury Consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers, and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus, and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting, and there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TRFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a training platform. Remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos, so every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and it will keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate treasurer. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe, or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they do not They are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people those who only have basic knowledge or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot from taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least around 10 plus videos so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned, and we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform, which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy, how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg? I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see, in fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training. So it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that. And we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.